Hello student, please subscribe my channel, press like and share button. All the best. Share my video with your friends. Subscribe me please. Thank you. Markovnikov's rule. Here we are doing true and false with reasoning. Okay, true or false. Sin addition is very stereo-specific nature of the reaction that we deal with. Markovnikov's reaction, oxymercuration, demercuration are stereo-specific and proceed via anti-addition, opposite phases occupied by H and OH. Yes, it is true. Okay, sometimes very good information if I want to give you, I am using true and false method. So always remember that you must do all true and false method, because that will be the summary of the chapter. Okay, now addition, here I told you that yes, it is stereo specific, because this is anti-addition will occur. So anti-addition means stereo specific, particular position H and OH are on the opposite faces. Follow Markovnikov rule. Addition of water to alkene can be either syn or anti depending on specific reagent. And second, they will follow Markovnikov's rule. Here 3 questions I have written. First, I will say for addition of water, syn or anti, this is acid catalyzed reaction. Okay, so it can be syn or anti, that I told you. If it is done by this Markovnikov rule, it will be anti addition. But when we are acid catalyzed, hydration will be done. So it can be syn and anti, both products can be obtained in acid catalyzed hydration. Okay, that is why we will say yes, it can be syn or anti, or both can be done in acid catalyzed hydration. So for A, answer is yes. For B, is acid catalyzed hydration stereo selective? No, not at all, because when addition occurs such that both new bonds to carbon form or the same side or on the opposite side. If they are on the same side, we call it syn addition, and if they are on the either side, on the opposite side, so at that time we will call it anti addition, because there is carbocation, it is planar, so either side of OH can be attacked and will get syn and anti, both products. So 50% D and L form is obtained when the compound formed is optically active. So optically active compound, if formed by the this addition of water to the alkene, at that moment 50% D and L both are formed and racemic mixture will get. Now rearrangement can occur in this case. Yes, in case of acid catalyzed hydration, for this stable carbocation, rearrangement occur. To get stability in carbocation, rearrangement occur. Here we are discussing in the bottom, these we are discussing BC, we are discussing about acid catalyzed hydration.